Good morning. Let's see today another new sample paper, previous year sample paper. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Can you see me clearly? Is it clear board? Okay. PYQ, it did not open still. Yes. See these questions. Can you see the first question what it is? Two numbers are given. First number is P. P is equal to 18a square b power 4 and Q is equal to 20 a power 3 b power 20 a power 3 b power 2. Then we have to find out LCM of P comma Q. Did you find anyone? What is the result of this? How do we find LCM? Got anyone answer? Good morning, option D. First question, option D. So let's see here how to find. P is equal to 2 power 1, 3 power 2, a square into b power 4. Whereas Q is equal to 2 power 2 into 5 power 1, a power 3, b power 2. And when we find out LCM, we will take all the factors 2 into 3 into 5, a into b. So highest power of 2, 2, highest power of 3, 2, highest power of 5, 1, a power highest 3, b power highest 4. So what is going to be the final result now? 4 into 9. 4 into 9, 36. 36 into 5, 180. It is going to be 180 a power 3, b power 4. Which is the correct option? Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Right. So try the next one. Question number 2. What is the result of question number 2? In an AP, A is given. A is minus 16 and B is minus 2. Then they are asking sum of first 10 terms. They are asking S10. So how we find S10, right? We can find out S10 by using S10 formula. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A. A is 2 into minus 16 plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 is 9 because 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into D is minus 2. So that is going to be 10 by 2 into 2 into minus 16 minus 32 minus 18. So that is going to be 10 by 2 into minus 50. 10 into minus 50 minus 500 by 2, which is minus 250. Which option? Option C is correct. It's not A10, it is S10, so it is not just A plus 90. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3, it is about statistics. We have to find out summation of 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar. This result we have to find out. We will use the formula here. X bar is equal to, summation of fi xi by fi. Okay, now from this what we can write this? If you send this fi here, summation of fi xi is nothing but fi into x bar. So these two are same. Now from here if you find out this result what it is, fi xi summation of fi xi minus fi into x bar. Once observe these two are what? The two are same. So when you subtract both the equal values, what is going to be the result? Result is going to be 0. Or from this, if you send this side, minus fi into x bar is going to be result 0. So which option is correct? This question, option D is correct. Are you able to follow me? Is it clear? Voice and board. Now once you see question number 4, the largest right circular cone that can be obtained carved out from a solid cube of edge 2 centimeters is. Volume we have to find, that should be taken from a cube. So we can have a cube like this. Take a cube. Now from this cube what you have to do, we have to take a cone, and that should be the largest cone. Figure will be there like this. So by this what we understand, the diameter of the cone will be equal to side of the cube. So here this side and diameter of the cube will be same. What is given side of the cube? Side of the cube is given as 2 centimeters. And height of the cone is also 2 centimeters. So by this what we understand, D is equal to 2 centimeters and height is also 2 centimeters. Diameter is 2 centimeters and height is also 2 centimeters. When diameter is 2 centimeters, 2r is equal to 2 centimeters. Then r is equal to 2 by 2, 1 centimeter. R is equal to 1 centimeter. Height is equal to 2 centimeters. Now volume we have to find. What is volume of cube? Cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is going to be 1 by 3 pi into r square means 1 square. 1 into h is what? 2. So what it is going to be? 2 into 1, 2 by 3 pi. Which option? 2 by 3 pi is option D. So option D is correct. Option D. Hope you understood this. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Here is question number 5. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. And the ratio of surface area of sphere to that of two hemispheres taken together is. What happens here? It was cut into two hemispheres, then the ratio of surface areas of sphere to that two hemispheres together is. What is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere. 4 pi r square. Okay, now what happened later? The sphere is cut into two hemispheres. So surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. What surface area means we have to take it as total surface area. You have to take it as total surface area. So total surface area is 3 pi r square. But now these two hemispheres together, when you take two hemispheres, one hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Surface area of two hemispheres. Two hemispheres is 2 into 3, 6 pi r square. 2 into 3 pi r square, that is 6 pi r square. Then ratio will be what? 4 pi r square is to 6 pi r square. Pi r square cancel. 4 is to 6. After cancellation, it is 2 is to 3. Option C. Now question number 6. I will see who will answer question number 6. What is the correct answer? The center of the circle is at 2 comma 0. One end of the diameter is 6 comma 0. Then other end of the diameter is. What is the other end of the diameter? Got anyone? What is the other end of the diameter? Which formula we have to use here? Now it is a circle. One end of the diameter is given and center is given. One end of the diameter is 2 comma 0. Center is at 2 comma 0. One end of the diameter is 6 comma 0. So we will take other end of the diameter x comma y. So what now? X plus 6 by 2 midpoint formula we have to use. X plus 6 by 2 is equal to 2 and y plus 0 by 2 is equal to 0. By this what we get? X plus 6 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 comma 4 minus 6, x is equal to minus 2. Now here y plus 0 is equal to 0 because 2 into 0 is 0. Y is equal to 0. Now what is our point? Other end of the diameter is minus 2 comma 0. Option C. Question number 6, option C, minus 2 comma 0. Now question number 7. Did you try anyone? Question number 7, it is probability. Question number 7, you can type question number and answer. One card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The probability that it is a red ace card is red ace card. How many ace cards are there, and in that how many are there in red color? How many ace cards are there and how many are in red color? Total number of cards 52. In that red ace cards, total number of ace cards are 4, and in that red color ace cards are 2. So probability is what? Probability of red ace card is equal to 2 by 52, but option is not there, 2 by 52. After cancellation it becomes 1 by 26. So option B is correct. Yes. Did you get all of you this correct answer? Option B is correct. Now question number 8. The middlemost observation of every data arranged in order is called. Which value? What it is? Middlemost observation is what? Now question number 8. The middlemost observation of every data arranged in order is what? What we call it? Mean, median or mode. So it's very simple. In name itself we have middle. So middlemost observation of that data, any data, what we call it? Median. Average of the data is mean. Middlemost observation is median. Most repeated observation is mode. Most repeated observation is mode. Okay. Now question number 9. They have given already angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. You have to find the value of 2 sine theta cos theta. Can you find what is 2 sine theta cos theta value? What is the value of 2 sine theta cos theta? Not very difficult, simple only this one. Once you get the answer, type the answer. Then I'll come to know how many of you are getting, how many of you are able to do this. Question number 9 already Likit typed it is option B. Man with option B. Okay, let's see what it is. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 into theta is given 30 degrees. So 2 into sin 30 degrees cos 30 degrees. Because it is mentioned theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now that is 2 into 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Here what happens? 2 will be cancelled. Answer is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is option B. What is your answer is correct. Question number 10. Can you try question number 10 what it is? Yes, you all are correct. Root 3 by 2. Question number 10. The roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are real and equal. Then which of the following relation is true? We have done this before also. Roots are equal. They said roots are equal. Then which option is correct? Question number 10. So what we do here, discriminant we take. Discriminant a square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Is it given b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 there? No. Then what we find? They have given ac value. So if you send 4ac that side, we get b square is equal to 4ac. Then from this, send 4 here. Then what we get? A into c is equal to b square by 4. We can observe this option in the given ABCD. AC is equal to b square by 4. Because no other option is matching this relation. So option C is correct. Option C. Question number 10 is done. Now let's go to question number 11. Question number 11. See the question what it is. From the data 14796, 147, 16, 21, 25, if all the even numbers are removed, then the probability of getting a prime number from the remaining is. So first you write the data which is given 1, 4, 7, 9, 16, 21, 25. Now remove all even numbers. Remove the even numbers. 4, 16. 4 and 16 we have to remove because they are even numbers. After removing even numbers, our data is 1, 7, 9, 21, 25. We have to remove even numbers. 4 and 16 we have to remove. After we are removing even numbers, these are the numbers. Now we want the probability of prime number. 1 is not a prime, not a composite. So we have prime numbers here only 7. Remaining all are composite numbers, not prime numbers. They are not prime numbers. So how many we have? One prime number out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our probability is 1 by 5. Option B is correct. It's not 2 by 5. We have only one. We have only one number, that is 7. 1 is not a prime number and the remaining numbers are also not prime number. Only 7 is there prime number, so 7 by 5. Now question number 12. AD is a median of triangle ABC at vertices. Median, length of the median you have to find. A is given 5 comma minus 6, B is 6 comma 4, and C is 0 comma 0. And they said AD is the median of the triangle. So you should find out length of the median. So for getting length of the median, first what you have to do, you have to find the midpoint of BC. B is 6 comma 4, C is 0 comma 0, and A is 5 comma minus 6. So here median will be 6 plus 0 by 2, 3 by 2, 6 by 2, 4 by 2. So it is 3 comma 2. Midpoint is going to be 3 comma 2. I used midpoint formula here. 6 plus 0 by 2, 3. 4 plus 0 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Then you have to find out the distance between A and D. So A is equal to 5 comma minus 6 and B is equal to 3 comma 2. Use distance formula. AD is equal to root of x2 minus. So 3 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus of minus 6, 2 plus 6 whole square. So that is root of minus 2 whole square plus 8 square. Can you hear me now? Is my voice clear now? Yes. Okay, now hope you're okay with voice. Okay, now listen. Did you understand question number 13? Question number 13, option A is correct, 7 by 36. Now we have to find question number 14. If the distance between 2 points, 3 comma minus 5 and x comma minus 5 is 15, in the values of x are, 2 points are given, 3 comma minus 5 and x comma minus 5 is, distance is given 15. We have to find the value of x. So what we use distance formula here? Distance formula is what? X2 minus x1, x minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5 whole square is equal to 15. But because we are not writing root, it will become 15 square. So now it is x minus 3 whole square. This will become now 0. So no need to write that because that is 0. X minus 3 whole square is equal to 15 square. Now x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root of 225, that is x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 15. So here what we do, one time x is equal to plus 15 we will take, minus 3 if you send that side, plus 3, x is equal to 18. One more time, x is equal to minus 15 we will take, minus 15 plus 3, x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 2. Which option is correct? Plus 18 minus 12, minus 12 plus 18, option B is correct. This was option A. The next question, question number 16. 15, huh? Not 16. Question number 15. Question number 15. What kind of lines they are? Which type of lines they are? Can you see the board clearly, completely? Yes, okay. What type of lines they are? See, they are not having solution, so they are not consistent. They are not coincident, so they are not having infinitely many solutions. Inconsistent, they are not parallel also. So what we can say, inconsistent but can be made consistent by extending two lines. Say yes. If you extend them, they will intersect. So option D is correct. If you extend them, they will intersect at some point, they will become consistent. So now question number 6. Yesterday I told you whenever they ask you 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, you can use one more direct formula. Another direct formula. Alpha plus beta by alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta by alpha into beta? Alpha plus beta. Question is given here. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Whenever it is given like this, it is alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. The result is going to be minus b by c. What is minus b by c? Minus of minus 5 plus 5 minus of minus 5 by 6. So it is plus 5 by 6. Option 5 by 6. Oh, 4 it is there, no? I wrote wrong. It's not A, it is C. So C is what? Minus 4. So minus 4. So it is minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Option B is correct. Yes. Your answer is correct. Now question number 17. Try question number 17. 16. Option B is correct. 15. Option D is correct. 15. Option B is correct. Okay, now question number 17. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to m. Then the value of secant theta plus tan theta. This was given in one of the pre-final exams. They both are reciprocals. If secant theta minus tan theta is equal to m, then secant theta plus tan theta. They both are reciprocals. That's why result is going to be 1 by m. Remember, result is 1 by m, and the option is C. Option C is correct. Question number 18. The zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are twice the zeros of the polynomial. So here two polynomials are given. Let alpha comma beta are zeros of 4x square minus 5x minus 6. We have to find the value of p. So find out here alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to here minus b by a. So here what it is? Minus of minus 5 by 4. So it is 5 by 4. Okay. Now if alpha comma beta are zeros of this, then 2 alpha comma 2 beta will be zeros of x square plus px plus q. Why? Because they said zeros of this polynomial are twice the zeros of this polynomial. So if these are alpha beta, here zeros will be 2 alpha 2 beta. Now 2 alpha plus 2 beta you find again sum of zeros. Again here also minus b by a formula. Now what it is minus b by 1. So this is going to be minus b. What is 2 alpha plus 2 beta? 2 you can take common. 2 into alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. What is alpha plus beta value we got here? 5 by 4. So 2 into 5 by 4 is equal to minus b. We can cancel these two. Therefore, minus p is equal to 5 by 2. Then p is equal to minus 5 by 2. Hope you understood this. Option A is correct. So some questions directly we cannot answer. We have to find out the solution like this and then find the correct answer. Hope you understood question number 18. We have to take alpha comma beta are zeros of this and find out what is sum of zeros. Then take, if these are alpha comma beta, these will become 2 alpha or 2 beta. 2 alpha 2 beta are the zeros of x square plus px plus q. Then substitute both, we will get the result of p, value of p. Question number 19, assertion and reasoning. 19 is tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter are parallel. Ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. We have that statement, we have that theorem. So that is true. Diameter of a circle is the longest chord. That is also true. but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So your option B is correct. It's not the correct reason. 20th one. If the graph of a polynomial touches x-axis at only one point, the polynomial cannot be a quadratic polynomial. If the graph of a polynomial touches x-axis at only one point, the polynomial cannot be a quadratic polynomial. If you observe graphs of quadratic polynomials, remember graph of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola. Parabola can be there like this, where it is not touching the x-axis, or it can be like this, where it is touching the x-axis at one point. It can be like this also, where it is touching the x-axis at 2 points. So it can be having 1 point, it can be having 2 points, or it can be having no points also. It doesn't mean that because it is having, it is, if it is touching 1 point, that is, it is not a quadratic polynomial. It can be, graph can be touching 1 point, no points, and 2 points also. But if it is a parabola, it is quadratic polynomial. It represents a quadratic polynomial. So assertion is false, because he said when it is touching at 1 point, it is not a quadratic polynomial. See, it is touching at 1 point, but it is a quadratic polynomial. But he said it is not a quadratic polynomial. So you should understand that statement properly, what he is saying. And a polynomial of degree can have at most n zeros. Means what? If degree is 2, the maximum number of zeros can be 2. Degree is 3, maximum number of zeros can be 3. Means what? If degree is 3, suppose if degree is 3, there can be no zeros. 1 0 it can have, or 2 zeros it can have, 3 zeros also it can have. It cannot have more than 3 zeros. So at most 3. Degree is n. Number of zeros are at most n, means 0, 1, 2, 3, highest n zeros it can have. So reason is true, assertion is false, reason is true. Option C is correct. Hope you understood this. So these are objective. Now let's discuss 2 marks also today. 2 marks questions, how they are, how much time we take. Did you see this question number 1 again? Question number 21. Question number 21 in 2 marks. Total 52 deck of cards are there. One card is lost. So total 52, total number of cards 52, one is lost. After one is lost, total cards now it is 51. 51 cards are there. Then find the probability that card drawn is queen of heart. There will be one queen. One queen of heart will be there. So favorable is 1 and total are 51. So probability is what? 1 by 51. 21. 22 is what? Do you know how to do 22? So your option is, answer is correct. 1 by 51. Question number 22. 2 root 2 cos 45 degrees means plus into sin 30 degrees plus 2 root 3 cos 30 degrees. So what it is 2 root 2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now we should do simplification carefully. Root 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So it is 1. Here 2 cancel, root 3 into root 3 3. So it is 1 plus 3 4. Now 23, no, not 23, option. Our question is there. Our question, every time we are seeing one question like this, but here they are asking to verify. We should find out LHS separately. Sin of A plus B, LHS, what it is, sin of A is given 60, B is given 30. So 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So sin 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees is 1. We should do separately. Now sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. So that is going to be root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. No, no, I did wrong. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Hope you understood this. Now let's see question number 23. 23 you all know very well. You have to prove 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. So what we do nowadays, most of you are not writing assumption and conclusion properly. Let us assume 5 minus 2 root 3 is a rational number. We will take that as a rational number, then it can be expressed. Because it is a rational, it can be expressed in P by Q form, where P comma Q are integers here. Okay, then what we do, 5 minus 2 root 3 is equal to some A by B we can write, where A comma B are integers. Now, here Q not equal to 0 also we mention. Now, we transpose 5 that side, minus 2 root 3 is equal to A by B minus 5. Minus 2 root 3 is equal to, we take LCM, A minus 5B by B. When we transpose minus 2 also, that side root 3 is equal to A minus 5B by minus 2B. If you want to remove that minus in the denominator, this A minus 5B will become 5B minus A by 2B. These two will be interchanged. Now we write conclusion like this. Since A comma B are integers, A minus 5B minus A by 2B is rational. That means root 3 is rational. This contradicts root 3 is irrational. Therefore, 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational. I have to write that conclusion also properly. All of you know this, but when you are writing solution, that assumption and conclusion also you write properly, then only you get full marks. 24. What is 24? Oh, 23. Our question is also there. Hope you know that also. 5 into 11 into 17 plus 3 into 11. Whenever this type of question comes, you have to check what is common in both. 11 is common in both. So we take 11 common, 11 into 5. 11 if you take common here, 5 into 17 plus 3 will be left. So that is 11 into 5 into 17, 88, 85 plus 3. So what it is 11 into 88. Now we can write it as 11 into 11 into 8. 11 into 11 into 8 is 2 power 3. So what it is finally 2 power 3 into 11 power 2. 2 power 3 into 11 power 2. So now what we write, since given number is expressed as product of prime factors from fundamental theorem of arithmetic, from uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, given number is composite. What this fundamental theorem of arithmetic says, every composite number can be expressed as product of its prime factors. If it is a composite number, it can be expressed as product of prime factors. If it is expressed as product of prime factors, we can say it is a composite numbers. Okay, that's okay. Now question number 22. Now question number 23 is over. 24. Question number 24 is also simple. You have to solve the two equations. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 4. 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. When we do elimination method, first equation we multiply with 4. So it is 8x plus 20y is equal to minus 16. And the second equation we multiply with 2. 8x minus 6y is equal to 10. Then what happens here? 8x plus 20y is equal to minus 16. 8x minus 6y is equal to 10. Then minus plus minus. Then these two will be cancelled. We get here 26y is equal to minus 26. So y is equal to minus 1. Now substitute y, 2x plus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 4. 2x is equal to minus 4. Oh, it is minus 5, no? 1 second. 2x into 2x plus 2x plus 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. 2x minus 5 is equal to minus 4. 2x is equal to minus 4 plus 5. 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is question number 24. Question number 25. Last question. Tomorrow we do 3 marks questions and 4 marks questions or 1 more sample paper. How do we do this? We have to find the length of CD. CD. What are given in that? AD is given and BE is given. One more EC is given. So you have to separate the triangle such that we get these values. One is to take these two triangles. One is like this we have. And then that is what A, B, C. That is CDE. And one more what we have EC we have and BE we have. So EBC you take another triangle. EBC also you draw in the same way. And in EBC, observe where angle 90 degrees is present. Angle 90 degrees is at E in EBC. And which angle is common in ADC and EBC? Angle C is common in both EDC and ABC. So here C should be there. And another vertex is B, that B you take here. Now we know these two triangles are similar because in triangle ADC and triangle EBC, what we know, angle ADC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees because it is given their altitudes. Angle ACD is equal to angle BCE, they are common. Therefore, triangle ADC similar to triangle ABC. Now we take corresponding sides. We know AD we know. So AD by EB is equal to, we want CD. So EC by CD. AD is how much? 7. By BE is how much? 9. EC is how much? 12. By CD. We want CD. So 7 into CD is equal to 12. Now 9 is 108. CD is equal to 108 by 7. So you may get in decimals or we can leave like this. This is the result. Hope you understood this one also. AD by BE, AD by BE is equal to, oh I took ratio wrong here, 1 minute. When I take AD, CD I should take first. AD by EB is equal to CD by EC. Like this we have to take. So AD is 7 by 9 is equal to CD by 12. Now CD is equal to 12 sevens are 84. CD is equal to 84 by 9. 3 2 is a 6, 3 8. Now also we got it decimals only, but now it is a different. Okay, hope you all understood today's topic up to here. This is enough today. Again, we'll meet in tomorrow's morning class. We'll discuss one more sample paper. Hope it is clear today what all we have done. Right? Okay, thank you. You can leave.